Okay, guys. So today we have a debate topic, and the topic is nuclear family versus joint family. So we have so many people out here. So, guys, I would like to ask each of you that you are going to support nuclear family or joint family. So first of all, Abhijit,
I support a nuclear family.
nuclear family. Aman,
Okay.
Aman, turn on the audio, then speak. Turn on the audio.
Sorry. I am supporting joint family.
Joint family. Renu,
Nuclear family, sir.
nuclear family. Okay. Shivam, Bansal,
Yes, sir. I'm going to support joint family.
joint family. Fatima,
Sir, I support to joint family.
joint family. Vijay,
Sir, I would like to tell about joint family.
okay, joint family. Ranjit,
Joint family, sir.
joint family. Then for nuclear, we have only Abhijit and Aman. And other people, anyone who wants to support
Sir,
nuclear family?
No, sir.
So
I am joint family.
Renu
I am
is
support.
also
yeah, I
in
am
our team,
also.
sir.
Acha, Renu is from nuclear, na? Renu said nuclear.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
Aman is from joint. Then let's get started, everyone. So my question goes to the nuclear family team, of course. That why do you think that nuclear family could be better than the joint family? Okay, and whoever has come with the points, you can speak your one point, and rest of the people who are against you will definitely refute that point, guys. So who would like to say?
So, right.
Abhijit wants to say something. Yeah. Why do you think that nuclear family is better, buddy? Come on.
So in the nucleus family, so, there are more privacy that you have to do in your own thing. You can do sir anything whatever you want.
Okay.
You can go sir everywhere whatever you want sir. But sir, it is my point, and sir, there are a lot of privacy. The point in the contrary of women, she can do everything, but in the in the joint family, she can't do everything which you want or which you wear
Okay, so
something.
finally, Abhijit is saying that you get privacy. You are free to go wherever you want to go. You are free to do whatever you want to do if you are in a nuclear family. Whereas in joint family, you cannot, get those wings to fly. Is this Abhijit?
Yes,
So
sir. Definitely, sir.
anyone from joint family would like to refute this point? Anyone?
Okay, sir. Tell me about the which point is discussed because I joined the meeting late.
Okay, actually, there are
Sir,
two
now
teams.
it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. There are two teams. One team is saying that joint family is good. Another team is saying that nuclear family is good. First of all, you have to say, are you going to join nuclear family team or joint family team?
Sir, joint family
I
team.
prefer the joint family also.
Okay, what's your name?
Prashant Sharma.
Okay, Prashant is going to join joint family. Okay, so actually the point has come from nuclear family that in nuclear family you get so much privacy. You are free to do whatever you want to do. You are free to go anywhere. There is no one to stop. And Fatima is going to refute this point. Fatima, please come again. Yeah.
Yeah, sir, I agree with you. There's privacy a lot in single family.
Hmm.
Youth couples get more freedom.
Hmm.
They can the single love, but
Hmm.
they can also take a risk with their money and demonstrative the communal nature. So I think joint family is better than nuclear family, sir.
So she's saying that it's okay, but however, joint family is better than the nuclear family. Yeah, Renu.
Okay, sir.
Renu.
Yes, I have a
Sir,
question.
sir, joint.
Firstly, I want to know the what they think about the nuclear family. I mean the definition. What they think. Can you explain me the definition?
Mom, dad, and their children. This is nuclear
What
family.
they think is who against the nuclear family? I'm asking from that.
Uh-huh.
But what they think about the nuclear family? What is the definition they make the perception about the nuclear family?
So
Can
any
you explain me?
okay, Ranjit, you're supporting joint family. Could you please speak about what do you think about nuclear family? What perception comes to you when you think about
Yes, sir.
nuclear family? Yeah.
Yeah. According to me, in if you are living in nuclear family, then you have to face more problem. When your parents go out, your children in isolation room, and they can do whatever they want to do. They can take, they can drink wine. They can molest her, girl, and maybe that's why it's create more problem. And when he see, him, his parents lived their parents due to earn money, and the same things the children will when the children will earn money. So this happened.
See the point which I understood, Renu. Let me tell you the point. He's saying that if you are in a nuclear family, of course, mom, dad, and children. If mom, dad both are going to office, children are at home, so they can do whatever they want to do. There is no one who can look after them. If you are in a joint family, you may have your uncle, aunt, your grandpa, grandmom, so they can look after. So this is his point. Ranjit wants to say this. Anybody can, yeah, refute it.
Sir, sir, joint family have more people as more support in case of any crisis and any critical situation. And as Ranjit says, if nuclear family, mom and dad go out for any reason, then children is isolated in their home. But in joint family, someone is there to take care our children and pay attention on our children,
Mhm.
and better attention to our children by other family different family members.
That's fine. Both of you are saying the same now. Renu, would you like to refute it?
Yes, sir. Actually, they make a wrong institutions about the nuclear family. Nuclear family is not about that. If you have a conflict in their family, after that you are separated. If sir, suppose they have all have the, you know, get the opportunity to job in another state.
Mhm.
If we get the opportunity to get a job in other, we have to go there because we have to opt that opportunity. We cannot, deny that opportunity. So if we live there, we stay there. So that doesn't mean we have a nuclear, we have a, that kind of love, that care, they are finished. That doesn't mean. If we live there, we get a same love, same care. If I need my family, they will always be there. That doesn't mean we live together, then we are happy, then we will, then everything. That doesn't mean. If we live alone, then we will also get the same thing from our parents.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
You
Ranjit.
can yes, yeah, yes. You can do whatever you want to do in a nuclear family. But when you get ill, that time no one. You have to take help from your friend or your relative, and 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 due to that maybe you will die on the spot. And if you are in the joint family, then then there is your uncle and grandfather. There is no need to call outside from the people, and
Nuclear
and
family,
they
it's
can
nuclear.
they can everyone can beat you, and
I
you
want to
can't do
put my
anything.
views.
You,
Okay, who
you
wants to
can't do
say
No,
something?
anything because you are very less of
nuclear
people.
Sir,
family is
Sir Mahendra is here.
Okay, okay,
Sir
wait.
Mahendra here.
Okay, Renu,
Okay,
Mahindra. Okay, wait. Mahindra wants to say
okay.
something. Mahindra wants to say something. Yeah, Mahindra. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir, for allowing me to express my view. In my point of view, nuclear family is much better than joint family because in nuclear family we have a more freedom to live. We can go
Speak once again. Your sound is not clear, Mahindra. Your
good
sound.
Okay, okay. Hello.
Yeah, you, Prashant. Yeah.
Yes. I prefer the joint family. I like the nuclear family, but in nuclear family there is no emotional bonding to each other because in nuclear family, if your parents are working, so you get bored in your house and you will go outside with your friends. There is prone to indulge in the wrong activities. No one care of you because your parents are busy. They come in night and they have a lot of work to do, take care of yours. So students are sorry, children always feel the boredom and aloneism. If you are living in the joint family, there is a emotional bonding to each other. If your parents are not there, so your grandparents will take care of you, if you can sit with your grandfather and grandmother and you can, ask for the stories and they tell the stories, and this type of the atmosphere you will not find in the joint nuclear family. India lives in the culture, and in nuclear family you don't know about the culture. If you are living in the joint family, there is a dependency. If we talk about the dependency in the nuclear family, you can't depend to each other. You have to do your work yourself. In joint family, there is lot of ladies and gents are there. If you are not doing something, so they will do definitely your work. So I prefer the joint family.
Sir, may I?
And
Yeah,
sir,
yeah.
and sir, joint
Sir,
family, and sir, in the joint family, sir, if someone if someone has take a big any big decision, then our grandparents helps to us because they have much experience in their whole life, and their guidance always will always support us.
Okay, got it. Guys, whoever is supporting
It
nuclear
is,
family, please listen to me. Whoever is supporting nuclear family, let me tell you guys, you have to refute the point. Talk point to point. Now the
sir, may I?
yeah, go ahead.
Sir, as my former speaker has just spoken,
Put the
so he
point
was
now.
talking about emotional supports. Let me tell you the bitter truth of the society. These days, we do not get emotional support in the joint family. Even we feel envious. There is envious nature. They feel envious to each other, and talking about the tradition has gone fade. When you are living at distant places, your proximity increases. So that's all.
In the nuclear family, it is too easy to convince everyone. But if you from the nuclear joint family, then you don't convince to everyone to everyone, sir, easily.
Okay, this
There
is
are
the
there are
point,
lots of
guys.
problems.
Please refute the point. Go point to point.
Some,
Yeah,
may I?
yeah, Shivam, go ahead.
Abhijit, let me tell you one thing. As you are talking about that, it is easy to convince everyone. See, whenever people are there, you will never get unanimous consent from anywhere. Some people are there; those will be agree and those will be disagree. And when you live in the joint family, complexity increases. People have different opinions. So convincing, I don't feel so. This is at all good point.
Yeah.
Definitely. Shivam is right. Yeah, Shivam is right.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Prashant. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I am talking about the, one of the my guy, colleagues said that the joint family there are a lot of the quarrels. But if you are talking about the one person hold the whole family, one person take the decision in the family, no one stand in front of the one person, because if your grandfather taking the decision, I have seen lot of the family, because I am living in the village area. There are lot of joint families. They are better than us because we are living in the nuclear family. Because some person are very sitting idly, but they don't have a financial crisis. In the nuclear family, if you are doing job, you can earn money. If you don't have a job, you cannot earn money. And if we talk about the unity, always we know that there is a proverb: united we stand and divided we fail. So we think about the unity. In nuclear family you don't have the emotional support. If you have some problem, then no one will care you, because you are living in the nuclear family. Persons and neighbors are very selfish. If you are living in the joint family, so there are a lot of person who care you. So I prefer the joint family, sir.
Lovely point, Prashant. Anybody wants to refute it?
Yes, sir.
From nuclear. Fatima, you are supporting joint family,
No,
I think.
sir. Joint family.
But the people from joint family have spoken a lot of points. They have said,
It is,
yeah,
yes,
There is-
sir, it is,
Renu, yeah, Renu.
so nuclear family, that doesn't mean that you, your wife and your children. In nuclear family, you can also include your parents because they are the part of your life. The joint family is that your uncle or your aunt and their cousin and so on. We are against that type of joint family. In nuclear family, you can include your parents also if you have
I
a
want to
good
say
job. So your parents will take care of your children also. They will take care of everything of theirs. If you
Okay,
get a
sir.
chance, if
Okay,
you get a
one
good
point, sir.
opportunity,
Sir, I
so
want to
we
add,
have to
sir,
we have to opt that opportunity.
Sir,
We cannot, say in a lifetime we cannot stay with their parents.
why the people go in the joint family for celebrating the festival? Why they don't celebrate festival on by on in nuclear family? Why?
Renu,
Why the
Renu, Renu.
people go for the joint family for the celebrating to marriage and Diwali? Why they go for the village? Why they don't celebrate on by on? Because they are prefer the joint nuclear family.
Sir, shall I answer your question?
Go ahead. Yeah.
As you are talking about, when we go for celebration, we actually, this becomes compulsion. We need our kith and kins to enjoy with us. But when it's come to a small occasion, birthday parties and enjoying in the hotel, we don't allow our neighbors, we don't allow our relatives. We want to have the small parties own self only, because expenses also increases, complexity also increases. So it's better to have
Yes,
joint
sir.
nuclear family.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, Fatima,
Sir,
yeah, Fatima,
Sir,
Fatima.
sir,
Fatima wants to
sir,
say
I
something.
want-
Fatima, yeah, go ahead.
It's expensive of relatives also, sir. Don't have a friends and our families, like our children. There is a not expensive for our children, our wife, our husband. Why is relatives?
Means it is expensive if we are
Not
calling
our
relatives, it is expensive, yeah?
Why relationship is
We know that, but sir,
Sir,
but
sir,
but sir, celebration depends on the
nuclear
happiness,
family
not for the financial crisis.
financial crisis.
sir,
Aman,
in,
Aman,
sir, in
Aman,
joint
Aman wants
family,
to say something. Aman wants to say something. Yeah, Aman.
Sir, I am saying that I live with a joint family,
Hmm.
and we celebrate every birthday, every anniversary with our joint family, and we enjoy a lot. Then we celebrate our birthday alone.
Mhm.
So that point is, I don't understand that point. So actually, I am living in a joint family, so I do not face any financial problem. We enjoy every moment, and in this pandemic, we can play with each other. We do not feel alone. In this pandemic, every alone person has a depression, and in our joint family, everyone encourages us, so we do not feel any depression. So I think that
So guys,
joint family
whoever,
is much
okay,
necessary.
thank you, Aman. See, whoever is supporting the nuclear family should speak and some drawbacks of joint family. Speak about the drawbacks.
It,
Sir, I
it's
want
easy
to,
to
sir,
say.
I want to
It's
speak
it's
some
it's
drawbacks.
easy to say,
Okay, wait, Renu,
but it's
Bittu wants to say the drawbacks of joint family. Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
No, sir, Mahinder.
Sorry, Mahendra. Okay, go ahead, Mahendra.
Okay. Sir, there are some drawback in nuclear family. We can say that because there is a discriminations in a joint family. Like those who are in a nuclear family, they don't have any kind of discriminations. And in nuclear family, suppose you want a bike, so you just go to persuade your parents. And if you purchase a bike, then your cousins will also start quarreling, and they will say that I also want a bike. So we can say that it becomes an issue. And in the joint family, they start making a small of wheels up on a very small matter. We can say that, and we are not allowed to go anywhere without taking permission from them. That's why we can say that we don't have a freedom,
No,
and
sir. It's
especially
a
children
thinking.
don't get environment for study. Children don't get environment for study because there is a stage problem in a joint family. At the same time, in a nuclear family, our parents always with us, and they can inculcate some positive things in our mind through which we can get a biggest achievement in our life.
No, sir. It's a
So
thinking about of some person. We can't think
No, I
negative,
have
sir.
seen. Actually, I would like to say, I would like to tell a point by taking an example. One of my friend is having a joint family, and he always keeps complaining to me, and he said that I'm unable to study at my home because all my cousins and my uncles, they keep quarreling with each other, because if many people will be there, then they will absolutely fight, and it is bone of contention as well, as we know that. So if we live in a nuclear family, then it's easy to study because only 4 and 5 people will be there, and there will not be financially burden. And in joint family, if one person is earning money, then other will sit idle, so it will also be creating, we can say that it will a bone of contention of fight, and we cannot save money for our future
got
in
it. Mahendra got it. Lovely points. Yeah, anyone for joint family. Okay,
sir, I want,
Bittu, are
sir,
you
I want
supporting
to.
joint family? Bittu, are you supporting joint family or nuclear family?
Nuclear family, sir. I want to say
Please
something.
speak your point. Yeah.
I basically I live in a joint family in village, but I will have to go for study in a nuclear family for my cousin in city. I have to go every day, and I agree with that. I don't know about name, I agree with that. We have to face a lot of problem in joint family, but in nuclear family we can study easily. And we can make him and her understand easily. But joint family we can't make him and them understand because everyone mostly are uneducated. They can't understand our situation. That is the problem we have to face nowadays. And this is a modern era. We have to change our lifestyle sometime for our children. And every parent go to city for his and her children. That is the reason they live in a nuclear family because of study of them.
Okay, Aman.
Excuse me,
Okay.
sir.
Sir,
Vijay, Vijay,
Okay.
yeah, Vijay,
sir,
Vijay.
sir, I want to tell different point. Sir, in the nuclear family, sir, there are only 2 to 3 person, husband, wife, and children. And sir, if wife pay attention on children and husband have to go out for a work, then every expenses have to do to a husband because there are house rent, there are light bill, there are household expenses. Okay, there only do have only husband do their expenses. But in the joint family, everyone divides expenses. And everyone is able to save their money. In the nuclear family, there are some kind of financial burden, and that's why nuclear family person sometimes is not able to save money for their future. But in joint family, everyone is able to save their money for their future, and that's why joint family is a more wealthy as as more people in the same place. That's why.
Okay.
Prashant.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Answer in the last year. Answer in the last year, as we know, last year there was a lockdown across the world, and there are many people who had to left their job, and if the person lived joint family and who had to leave their job, then their whole families so family support him. But the person
Okay.
who is living
Stay home.
nuclear family
Got
and
it.
who
Okay,
had to
Vijay.
leave their job, then he was very difficult to survive.
Got it. Anybody?
Yes.
Yeah, Prashant.
Yes, sir. Definitely, in the present area, the nuclear family is the best. But I am supporting to the joint family. So my point is that if you are in the business, you are a businessman. You have to made the team. So there is prone to theft. If you keeping the staff members, so there is a prone to theft. If you have a member of your family, so they will does work very honestly and carefully. So joint family is the best, and the family business always you see in the big businessmen just like Ambani's and others. And Ambani is separate from 10 and 12 years. Before 10 12 years they joined and they made the business big business with jointly, not for the nuclearly.
Okay, fine. So anybody from nuclear family wants to refute this
Right,
point?
sir.
Wait. There are very few people who are supporting nuclear family. What Prashant said that in joint family, your family members can participate in that business. Instead of hiring some other people, you can use your family members and you can
Yes.
believe them. So
But
really,
sir, there is
really
a
you can
for
believe
example.
them.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir. I have a point. As he said, the Ambani, then they build their business in joint family. Have you noticed after they nuclear families, when they are separated, after that he will become a successful and a more richer person than that. If he and his brother, when they are in a joint family, then we no one can know the Ambani, Mukesh Ambani. We know never heard a name of that. But after that, he make his name. He make his own work. And now we all have seen how much he earned the money, how matlab, where he.
So Prashant, she
So
has she has
it's
tried to
easy
refute your
to
point.
say that joint family is better, but it's tough to maintain the love, care, because everyone have conflict each other. Any points, your
So may I?
child, your brother, so it's
No,
Okay,
easy to
okay,
say.
your point is
no,
good, but
no,
I
sir.
am
No, sir.
talking
There
about
is
the
more.
team. I am talking about the
May
team.
I?
Do you
So
know?
why the money, have a nuclear family nowadays? Why they
Nuclear
can't, live
family,
in a joint
if you
family?
are if you are in the
Why
job,
he
you are
didn't
doing the
live
job,
with
the
their
nuclear
brothers?
family is the good. Nuclear family is the
No,
good for
why
the job.
he is a
if you are
businessman? He
if
is
you
a
are
businessman.
living, if you are making the business, you have to make the team. If you take
So,
the
so
members
that's why
But
from
we
your
now,
joint
see.
family, it
Prashant,
will
now
be
Ria,
good.
Prashant, listen. Now, what Renu is saying that now
Hmm.
he is in nuclear family. He has
Yeah.
a team, but his family members are not there in the team. He has
So
hired
yeah,
so many
exactly.
people. So many people are working for him. Are those people the family members of Ambani? No, they are not.
No, Anil
However,
Ambani is
he is
not there.
becoming so much successful. He is an affluent person. This is what
But
Renu
we
wants to
can
say.
appoint, but sir, we can appoint the particular big post of the family member, not for the
But
staff members.
You
Always the staff members will
you
prone to
cannot.
theft the your money.
So you
Okay,
gave an example,
Sir,
na,
sir,
like
may I?
Amit
Shivam.
Ambani.
Okay,
Sir,
Shivam.
connecting her point, I would say that it has always been said that business is apart from relationships. When your relatives enter into the business, your even your relationships breaks. So business should always be apart from relatives. And as you were saying about contributing into the family, when we have joint family, they contribute to each other. I feel it becomes mass when people are earning individually. So let them enjoy their life. Why to join them?
So, are you going to refute Prashant's
Yes, yes,
point?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
sir, 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 it can be dangerous to believe someone who someone, and sir, it is better to believe our family member.
Vijay, whoever has any business, they hire the people from outside. Do you think that they always hire their family members? Family
No, sir,
members,
they don't.
you cannot make them
Sometimes,
satisfied. They can
but
fail
sir,
us also. You cannot make them satisfied. You cannot decide a particular salary for them. But for other people,
Whatever
you can
you,
decide a particular salary.
sir,
Yeah.
sir, whatever you will give
sir, we
them,
can
you will
divide
always
our
be
We
under
can
their
agree
favor.
for that, sir. Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir, I have one more point.
Who?
We cannot impose Mahinder, sir.
Mahendra, you have to show your face, buddy. Turn on the camera if you can.
But there is a technical glitches is
Go ahead.
going on.
Go ahead.
Somehow I could on.
Go ahead.
Okay,
Go ahead.
I think if we hire our family members in our business, then we cannot impose directly work on them. And if they are asking for advance salary, then we will have to give them because we are bound to do so. And in the if we if you hire an employer from another field, then we can impose simply work on them. If we have to make anything by them, then we can just simply impose them that you will have to do this, and at whose behest did you do this. If they commit any mistake, then we can simply scold them that why did you do so. It means if we hire people from our relationships and in our family, then we have to behave with them good, and it is not good in a business because we have to impose work on them if we have to start, if we have to
Lovely
our
point,
business
Mahendra.
family.
Lovely point. Lovely point. So, anybody
Yes,
wants
but
to
sir.
refute?
Mahendra,
Yeah.
sir, I
Kind of.
want to report.
Who? Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
But
go ahead. Go ahead.
but Mahendra, other people not as work as our family members, because other people only wants to their salary, and they only work to how to pass their day, their day. But our family
So who
members
is
working with us, they only want, so how to make profit,
See,
how to make
Vijay,
profit.
somewhere you have the relation with your relative. So if it comes to imposing the work, you can scold other people, but can you scold your, relatives, own relatives?
Sir,
You,
allow me, please.
yeah, please, Fatima, go ahead. Fatima.
Sir, we are talking about living in a joint family or nuclear family. We don't talk about in a work. We don't talk about in a staff, sir.
Okay.
So all have different skills. Whatever you can want. So you should
sir? May I?
sir,
Yeah,
I
fine.
want to say.
The point was given by Prashant. Then Renu started it, and after that, all the people are talking about this point that if you know what Prashant said, that in joint family it is good that you can hire your own family members. Whereas some people are saying it's not good. You can't impose the work on them. You cannot scold them. If you have to increase the salary, you cannot say straight away, no, I can't increase. You are bound to increase. So anybody wants to say?
Sir, as Vijay has just shared that the person whosoever we will hire, he will be connected to just up to his salary only. Actually, that is the advantage. When you have the
Yes,
family member,
yes.
when you have the family member in your business, what he will do, he will try to become the business partner of yours. He'll try to become the partner, and the
Lovely.
thing is that.
Very good point.
And the sense of
if
comparison comes.
if my
Sense
if
of
me if
comparison
me
comes.
and
Yes.
if me and my brother working together, then my brother is not I not consider my brother to staff, because there we are partner in that time.
But Vijay, you will never be able to satisfy your brother. Whatever the salary you will give, he will always try to
Okay,
compare
but
himself.
And one day
I
or
will
other,
divide
you
the
both have
I
to
will divide
split.
the profit.
It is also, it is
I
going
will
to happen.
divide the profit. We will not need to
Let's take the example of
give
Ambani. Let's
salary.
take the example of Ambani. What Renu said. Let's take the example of Ambani. They have split it. Why they are now two?
But sir,
Why not together?
but sir, no, sir, this will not happen every time.
Okay.
Sir,
Anybody,
I
guys,
want to
guys,
say,
guys. Yeah, Aman, say something.
sir, I just take the example of my business. Joint family should not
Because
be.
sir, my father.
Let Aman complete his point. Yeah.
Sir, in my family, everyone has his own business, but by this, everyone helps each other. No one can uh, easily like धोखा दे सकता है. Everyone has a point about that. कि इसने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया था. Then you should be aware from him.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
I think that
And
joint family has an advantage if everyone has his own business.
Hmm.
Yes, we know that. In joint family, we live in the discipline and strictness. In
Let's
nuclear family, you are the free.
turn off
You
the
know.
audio. Rest of the people, turn off your audios, please. Yeah, Prashant, go ahead.
Yes, sir. I am talking about the discipline and strictness. If you are living in the discipline and strictness, you go for the joint family. If you want to freedom, so you go for the nuclear family. But discipline and strictness gives you success. Not the freedom will give you success. Just like your father, mother left your parents and they live in the particular metro city, and even though their children should do just like that, because they live in the nuclear family for searching the job. If you have a job, so you are living there. If you don't have a job, you come back on village and live in the joint family. So these are the activities. Just in this pandemic situations, people are doing lot of, pravasi laborers went their house in their house because they want to secure security, not living in the nuclear family in metro cities, and they don't want to live in insecure area. So security will give you from the joint family, not for the nuclear family.
Sir, in
You
this
said
21st
that the
century,
discipline
do
and
you
the
expect
Renu.
people?
Renu.
the discipline you
Okay,
said
sir,
the
in
discipline maintained. Okay. I have seen a lot of family who lives in a joint family, but their children are not that much good. I am also living in a nuclear family, but that kind of discipline, that kind of strictness, I have also, find in my family. But I have seen a lot of people who lives in a joint family. If the person who wants to do that thing, if you restrict, if you control that person, that don't do that, don't do this. He will also do that. Doesn't matter if he lives in a joint family or if he lives in a separate family.
Yes, sir.
And
I
sir,
want to join.
so may I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, the thing is that this is the 21st century. We cannot expect the kids to follow us as the parents used to do earlier. And even in the schools, we are taught that to question whatever somebody is doing. First you should question yourself. It was earlier, it was the time people used to follow their culture without knowing the reason. So the time has changed, we
I
should
want to,
also move.
Okay.
I want to say,
Bittu, yeah, Bittu.
yeah. This is 21. We can't understand everyone in joint family also
Hmm.
because we you said we can't able to create our own children environment. How we can create our whole family environment
Hmm.
nowadays? We are all of us talking about 99, who people understand everyone very well.
Hmm.
And nowadays, if we have a money, we are, all of us give respect. Otherwise, we are not supporting everyone,
Hmm.
and we are not
Okay, we
relationship
got
with
it. And
everyone. That is the
one point is there. Whoever is supporting joint family, suppose joint family means like you are living, your wife is there, your brother is there, your brother's wife is there. Like this. So suppose your wife comes to you or makes you a call and says that, darling, I would like to have pizza tonight. So could you please come along with some pizza? So now what will you do? Your wife wants to have pizza, but you have got the joint family. So you will have to,
Yes.
you will have to purchase so many slices of pizza, so many pizzas boxes would be there.
Sir, why don't you make
You
the
know
pizza in
why?
your house, sir, for everyone?
Lovely, lovely.
So we can purchase
So
lot of
here,
pizza
here
also
the
in
question
joint
comes,
family.
or suppose your son has made you a call and said that, daddy, today I would like to eat some gulab jamun, some rasgullas, or please bring this
But
fruit for me. This is my favorite
Some
fruit, or this is
fruits.
my favorite toy. But you are not supposed to only purchase the things for your son. You have to purchase for your brother's children also.
Sir, we know that,
So
but
we
sir,
will
this is
have
called the
both.
selfishness, sir. This is called the selfishness.
So
You are living in the joint family, so
sir,
you
yeah.
will think about all the members of
and
the family.
So we
and
make
sir, I
pizza
want to
for
add
from
Fatima,
one
family.
Fatima
point.
can speak better. Fatima is in joint family. Yeah, Fatima.
Sir, we can make a pizza, gulab jamun, everything at home also. There is a lot of wives
How long
who
can you
want
make
their
at home?
wives. We are
Going to
supposed to
restaurant is
make
quite separate thing. Sometimes you feel like your
so
wife will
we
say,
can
"Come on,
go.
darling, let's go to restaurant." You are not supposed to
Yeah,
go
we
to
can go,
restaurant.
sir.
Yeah.
We
Yeah,
have to
you
go.
you
We can
can't take your
go.
son somewhere else. You have to go for tour. You can't go. You can't make a decision just for your family.
No,
You have to
sir.
think about other people as well. So these
All
are some
family go.
points which are not good in joint family, I think. Yeah, Renu.
No, no, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
We also go.
Okay,
We also go
sir,
separate
that
with
will
our
give us
children
more
also.
happiness.
which one gives more happiness?
Sir, if we share everything with everyone, that will give us more happiness than alone.
Anybody wants to cut this point can cut.
how many times?
But
No,
sir,
why?
sir, I have
How
one
much?
point. It
Yeah.
means it means
How
if you
many
want to
times
have a
do
pizza
you pay
in
for
joint family,
everyone?
then
Mahendra is saying. Yeah, Mahendra. Yeah.
yes, if you want to have a pizza in a joint family, then food cannot be cooked for your by anyone for your alone, because food cannot be cooked as for your choice. At the same time, if you are in a nuclear family, pizza can be cooked. And even I'm also having a joint family, and we all are enjoying well because we all are sitting at home. There is no problem like this. And as you said that we cannot share our problem with anyone in joint family, so in a nuclear family, so don't you think our parents and our siblings will be there, so we can share our problems, and those who understand our problem, they will definitely get. If we don't say anything, it means they will get our problem by seeing our expression as well, if they are our own person, so we don't need to share much more with them.
Okay. Fine, 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 fine. Anybody?
Sir, eat only
Yes, I
one
want to say that.
Bit to
pizza.
bit
Sir,
to bit to bit. Yeah. Tell.
sir, it's difficult to manage for everyone because I faced that problem. My sister is married and my brother also married.
Hmm.
They have two children.
Hmm.
But so if I think sometimes we have to buy for my niece and what about my nieces? Then
Definitely.
it's very difficult to handle nowadays because we have a limited budget nowadays
Hmm.
and we do private jobs. So that is the problem we are facing. And joint family don't understand this problem. If we buy some toy for her, the sister is say something. They can't understand our situation. That is
Sometimes
the
it
problem.
happens. Sometimes it happens. I'm telling you, though you are living in a joint family, suppose you have purchased your favorite laptop. It could be any brand. It could be Apple or whatever. That is in your room. suddenly the child of your brother enters your room and starts touching your laptop. Inwardly you are not happy. Inwardly you are thinking, oh my god, this is my favorite laptop, how come he's touching? But you are not supposed to say anything. If you say something, you are just going to break his heart. So this is not love. You are inwardly angry, but you are not able to express your anger. So it also
Not,
happens in a
not
joint
like
family.
this. Sir, I have a joint family. I have a laptop and my nephew.
Sir,
And
Sir,
sir,
if
and sir,
I
I
am
have two nieces.
sir,
I have two
I
nieces, but sir, sir, it will it doesn't happen in my home.
you know they start bitching. One brother is in this room, another brother is in that room.
sir.
In this room, one brother and his wife are just talking something bad about that brother and wife. It happens in joint family, and when they open their doors,
Yes,
they go
sir.
and they start
Yeah,
putting
yeah.
some smile on their face. Wow, wow, lovely, yeah, yeah, yeah. But inwardly they are abusing
That
each other.
that is not joint
Yes, sir.
family.
Sir,
That
we
is a
used to
nuclear
have a
family.
Sir,
That is joint family. You are
sir,
living in the
earlier we
same house.
used to
Yeah.
have a
Sir, if
sir,
they do not
I would
respect
like to
each
say
other,
something,
they
Okay,
sir,
do not
on
Abhijit.
have
this.
love
Abhijit
for
wants
each
to say
other.
something. It's the last, guys. We will end it up. Yeah, Abhijit.
Sir, in the joint family, if you will do any mistakes, so there are nobody to accuse you badly, and you get lots of privacy. But if you coming from if you are in the joint family, if you will do any mistakes, then there are so many people they are accused you badly. Why are you doing these mistakes? Why are you doing that things? So nobody. So
See,
there are some.
one
There are
one
a
last
lot
point
of
I would say.
people.
Okay, I got it, Abhijit. One last point I would say. You are in a nuclear family. Okay, so no matter which day it could be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Wife is saying, "Darling, today I don't want to cook food. Just let me have rest." Okay, husband is saying, "Okay, I will just order something." This is what nuclear family is. Okay, but in joint family, you are bound to get up. If the wife of your brother gets up around 6 o'clock, so you are also supposed to get up, around 6 o'clock. If she is entering the kitchen, you are also supposed to enter the kitchen. If you don't do, she is going to feel bad. You know, so somehow you are
So
not
sometimes,
happy, but you have to, compromise. But in nuclear family, you are free to think, you are free to buy, you are free to eat, you are just free,
Yes, sir.
like a
yes,
bird.
So you are
There are
thinking
no
about
bounds.
the
sometimes
There
like
are
this.
there are so there are no bounds,
sometimes
sir.
we have also,
Not like
hide
this.
our desires. If
Okay.
we want something, we'll tell our parents that I want to buy something. That mommy and papa said no. If I'll buy that thing for you, then your cousin and another, they will also, demand that thing. So sometimes our desire, we hide our desire.
Yeah, so we have
So
to
that,
hide the
I want to
desire
say
also.
that.
And
yes,
Bittu,
sir.
last point. After that, you can keep refuting it. What
Yes,
happens
yes.
if you
I
are in
want
a
to say
joint
that
family? If you are in a joint
if
family,
certain
so for the
member,
females, if you are in a joint family, for the females, there is a dress code. Like the all the
Yeah.
females has to
Sir,
wear
yes,
salwar
sir.
suit or maybe sari,
Hmm.
whatever the dress code is there.
Yes.
In nuclear family, you
Yes, sir.
can gift any one piece, any kind of good dress to your wife. Whereas you cannot do in joint family. In joint family, no matter what the desire is there in the mind of your wife, she has to wear the same what the other ladies are wearing in the house.
Yes, sir.
So where is the
Exactly.
benefit in joint family? What is the benefit? They have jealous, they feel jealous. They inwardly they are thinking bad
Yes.
about one another. They are just putting fake smile on their faces. But you are saying that we are in the joint family.
Exactly.
One is giving
Yes.
less
and
money
sir,
and
it has
another
some
is giving much
detrimental.
money. There is still problem. Why I am giving so
Hmm.
much money? Why that brother is giving less money? So all the things are the
And
bone
sir,
of
it has a
contention in joint
detrimental
family.
effects on children's mind.
after,
It has a
after marriage,
detrimental effects
that
on children.
problem.
Okay,
They
bittu,
keep
bittu,
After
fighting
bittu,
marriage, that
bittu
together.
should
problem.
say. Bittu, bittu, bittu.
After marriage, that problem comes. Whenever you are living in childhood, you didn't think about it. But after marriage, you think about it.
The main joint
Uh,
family is after getting married, buddy. That is the main joint family once you get married.
no, means
Sir,
there are
all
lot of
are
people who are.
Okay, last Fatima. Fatima, yeah, Fatima.
sir, all joint families not allowed like you have to wear a sari, you have to wear a salwar kurta. It's a thinking about some people have like this. So whenever we get not feel, so we have to take a cook in nuclear family. In joint family, some one house we cook and we take care of our children also.
Mhm.
So may I?
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead, go go ahead.
Sir, love and living amicably looks good when we just talk, but take the ratio. I feel most of the people prefer nuclear family, and whosoever is having joint family, they most of the time they have quarrel.
Yeah, right. Okay, fine,
Why
guys.
we think about quarrel?
They
The
can't,
negativity
sir,
of
in the
our
joint
mind,
family, sir, sir, in the
there's a
joint
lot of
family, they can't
affection
understand to
in
each
this
other, sir.
person.
In joint family, we can't understand each other.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But if you have a nuclear family, there are less people compared to the joint
I
family.
want to say
So
that
they
last
can
one.
There are also a lot of restrictions in the joint family. If
Yeah.
a woman
I want to say that.
they
get a
understand
job,
each
they
other,
Okay,
sir.
want to.
Renu, yeah, Renu.
So there are a lot of kind of restrictions in the family. If a woman wants to get a job, then our elders are interrupting. They delve into their life. You do not go there, here. You just, just do your house chores. That type of restriction also faced in a joint family, but you cannot face that in nuclear family. If I feel educated, if I want to independent, so I have a right to do the job wherever I want. I have to do. So in joint family, there are a lot of restrictions, interference. So that's why.
Yes.
I don't agree, Ritu,
Every joint family
but
does not have
Fi-
like this.
because I have
Now
also
it,
joint family. I go to job.
Okay.
I want to say that
So
nowadays
from
all of
joint family,
understand.
sir, from the joint family, you can
Come to
get
the
lots of
conclusion.
struggles,
During
sir.
my
Come to the
and during
conclusion.
my absence,
I,
during my absence, I don't worry about my pending work, my children, everything, sir. So
I want to say
not
one
all are
point for
same.
citizens, sir.
All family not are same, sir.
Okay. Any conclusion
I
from
want to say
everybody?
one.
Yeah.
Yes,
Bittu.
I want to say. It doesn't matter whether we are living in joint and nuclear. We have to ignore something for family. It's nuclear or it's joint. We have to ignore some desire of wife also sometimes.
Yeah.
That is the
Sir,
conclusion.
That is the conclusion. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
sir, by
Prashant.
proper
Hello.
management, we can run a successful joint.
Yeah, Prashant, go ahead. Prashant.
Okay, sir, I don't agree with the point of the Renu has delivered, because in joint family, lot of person will help you. Just like we have seen lot of IS made from the joint family, not for the nuclear family. I have seen many families. There are 4 and 5 person. There are the IS and IPS also, and they are supporting the joint family. They are living in other cities, but they always support the joint families. I have seen lot of joint families.
Sir, I want to say one thing.
Yeah.
Don't mind, but 99% of girls don't want to understand everyone. They want to understand his husband or wife also, but that is.
Okay, fine. One day we will talk about girls versus boys also. Very soon we will talk about that also. Okay. Fine. Okay, guys. Thank you. It was really a nice debate. और सारे लोग आप अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं.
Sir, I
Practice.
want to say something, sir.
Yeah. Speak.
Okay. Actually, sir, I am your ardent follower, and ever since I have started watching your video, I have improved a lot. It means you have inculcated English knowledge in my mind, and I think so fortune smiled on me that I have got such a wonderful opportunity to talk with you, sir. I am on the top of the world, sir, today. Thank you for being me here.
थैंक यू महेंद्रा. और आप बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं. महेंद्रा देख नहीं सकते हैं, बट बहुत अच्छी आप इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं. महेंद्रा बहुत मेहनत करते हैं ये.
Sir,
It's just because of you.
hello.
थैंक यू.
Sir,
Yeah.
I inspired from you, because you learn English without any trainer, and I am watching your only videos, and I am, gradually I am speaking very best. That's why I am finding you, and now my dream fulfill to enter in your debate, sir. So I like you, sir. Your inspiration is marvelous for us, sir.
Thank you, Prashant. Stay connected. Fine, everybody.
Sir,
So,
you can find fault everywhere.
yeah, fine, guys. So,
Sir, may I?
Go ahead.
Sir, I would say, sir, no words are enough to compliment you actually. Sir, as I have seen your all the advanced videos of series, and I learned a lot, and I have imbibed all those things. Thank you so much, sir, from bottom of my heart. Thank you so much.
शिवम आप शिवम ने भी
Depth
काफी
of my
अच्छे
heart,
स्ट्रक्चर्स
sir.
यूज किए हैं. शिवम ने भी बहुत स्ट्रक्चर्स अच्छे
Sir,
use
just
किए हैं.
because of you.
और बहुत सारे वर्ड्स यूज किए हैं. थैंक यू. Okay, fine everybody. If there is again any batch, I will definitely, I mean for debate, I will definitely call you guys for that. और अगर कोई अच्छा बैच बनता है, जैसे कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि सर कुछ बैच कराइए, अगर कोई ऐसा एडवांस लेवल का बैच बनता है तो मैं आप लोगों को पढ़ा भी सकता हूँ, बट अभी कुछ बन नहीं पा रहा है. ईमेल्स मेरे पास बहुत आते हैं बट टाइम भी नहीं है. मैं सिर्फ 2 ऑनलाइन क्लासेज अभी दे रहा हूँ, उसके अलावा मैंने अभी तीसरा शुरू नहीं किया है. तो अगर कुछ होगा तो जो लोग करना चाहते हैं मैं जरूर बताऊंगा. Okay guys,
Sure sir, sure.
Thank you everybody. See you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you sir, have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Sir, please make video to have.
Okay.
Have a nice day to all.
Okay. Bye.